afternoon, everyone. I meet you all men from all the sections and all the aspects of life. I greet all the high table. God bless you. I bring greetings from His Imperial Majesty, Oba Adeyemi, Zenith, the Oni of Ife. I bring you greetings, greet you all well. And I want to say to every woman here that you are great. You are powerful. You are beautiful. You are perfect. You are excellent. You are not weak. You are strong. Because when you look at the family unit, a man's wife dies, becomes really difficult to move. And the husband dies, the woman can carry on for life. And nurture great children and make them great in society. That should tell you how powerful and how excellent you are. You have been made perfect. There is no weakness in you, because your weakness is your strength. Your weakness makes your husband glow. Your weakness is the reason why your man can stand in the midst of his mates and speak to them, because he has a woman who respects him. Your weakness is seen. People call respect your weakness, but you are not weak. You are just being respectful. As a woman, don't be quiet. Continue to talk. There's a gift in you. Develop yourself. Grow yourself. Continue to read. Continue to lead. Your children are your instruments. Your children are your gifts. Take care of them. Do everything you can. As you nurse them, they become soldiers for you. They begin to speak for you. And before your children start talking for you, you need to open up your mouth and speak. Because there is power in your tongue. And as a woman, you've been created to care for, to nurture. You are persuasive. You can persuade men. A man will talk once and not talk about it again, because they don't have what you've got. They can be patient enough to persuade. But as a woman, you've got that. And I want you to continue to use it. I want you to know that there are many, many great women in society that are doing great things and are paving ways for us. Let me tell you, in few years to come, in a very near future, men will clap when women are talking. Yes. They are clapping when they will keep quiet until mama is talking. And let's listen to them. The world will hear of you. And it is so indeed. So I want you to know that I love every woman here. Every woman is wonderful. It does not matter where you find yourself. In your local arena, you are wonderful. A woman is a born leader. It's in you. And I will tell you why you are a leader. Because even the men will lead them. Because even the men will care for them. Most of the men would rely on the confidence given to them by their wives before they come out and talk with a baritone voice. And before I go, I just want to say thank you to my husband and our father for letting me come here. Because there is one thing, the challenge that every woman is facing in Nigeria and Africa is that when we want to do great things, the men will just let us celebrate. Not all men, but we know that a handful of them, a number of them, will say, sit down at home while I go out. The home is your place. You build your home, but the society is just your home too. Don't you know that? That when you go outside, you are also building your home. The home is not limited to your house in your village. The home is Nigeria. Nigeria is our home. And we will build it. We will nurture